So I'm still in the process of wanting to do that video about the new LED lights everywhere. And I've kind of settled in that they're not quite yet replacing this one. All right. Where is it? It's right here. I think it's that one. Doesn't really matter. But the point is, last night I saw that one of the lights that were still kind of orange, they were replacing it, or they replaced it. Like, I was coming home at night, I'm like, what the fuck is this? Even though I wear those orange glasses now, I still notice it was a little brighter. Well, guess who's out here today? That is Entergy, the energy company here. Yeah, right there. So it's like, oh, hooray! Maybe we have blinding ass LEDs here today. I don't know, because that's the only reason they'd be out here. This is the only light here. I mean, I guess there's electricity everywhere else too. But so then you have in the master bedroom here these giant windows, and guess what's blasting in? You have giant windows here. Guess what's blasting in? So, what an utter shithole. Well, we'll see. Some people were complaining about it online in February, and it was kind of late spring that the lights on the other side of the street were turned that way. But it's just so obnoxious. Like, no one was consulted about it. Nobody was asked. It's just started happening because things happen at you. Now, there's some more. I don't know if that's Entergy down over there. There's another truck there. So now what was interesting here is for a couple months ago, it started flashing a lot, like with the orange bulb in there. Because it's not just the LEDs that flash, these sodium vapor ones do as well, which is kind of annoying. But I thought, oh shit, it's going broken and they're going to replace it immediately. They did replace it, or it fixed itself or something, because the light was just nice and strong after that. I didn't see anybody fixing it, but it was just flashing a lot, and then it went dead. Right, it went dead. It was actually kind of nice not to have a light there. It was just perfectly fine. It's completely unnecessary. Way too much light pollution from everybody else's porch light and everything anyways. But it just wasn't even necessary. And then it came back on. I didn't see anybody do it, but I was like, okay, well, maybe, there's 4 people walking around. And it's like, what possible purpose is there? And Entergy is only the electric provider here. They're not the gas company. So let's see what's going on here. No, it's a huge truck, a normal sized truck, and over there, an excavator. Yeah, and this is the big cherry picker thing over here. Now, to be fair, we did have Entergy out here because of there was an outage for 2 hours down at the end of the street, but during the middle of the day, there's no outage now. Lights are on here. So it's just, again, nobody was asked. Plenty of people even inquired about having those shields so it doesn't go into your bedroom or something. Nope, sorry, fuck you. So, and I've actually been really upset about it for a while, and I got used to the fact that the one light there and the one light right over here was not changed. And then again, yesterday I see that it is changed. So it's like, okay, now they're changing this. Or I don't know what they're doing. It's just very suspicious anytime, right. And again, no one asked for this. No one said, hey, change the light, save 2 cents on it, allegedly, and make it nice and white and bright so that, your retinas are blasted at night. No one asked for that. Not a single person. In fact, I think we'll get to it at some point, but I just got to, I was just too, I couldn't really do it. It was just too much, and then it kind of got a moot point. But I'll go over all the little Nextdoor and Reddit posts and Facebook posts about the LED lights. Because I found a few, and barely anyone likes it. Like literally 95% of the people absolutely hate it who've commented. Like, it's like, that just happens. You know, we're going to do it anyways. Go fuck yourself. The township blames the energy, or not blames it, but people who've written in, they say, go talk to Entergy. And then Entergy says, no, it's the township that does it, which kind of makes sense. Entergy just has the contract, right? Okay, they went to a specific house here that is 1, 2, 3 doors down. They're coming from there. Yeah, let's see here. Oh boy. See? Through the blinds. Right? So they came out from a driveway. Now, I don't know why they need to consult with somebody in the driveway. So I don't know. Well, we'll do some updates, but I guess there's nothing else to say except, again, it's just really obnoxious that absolutely nobody bothers to ask is nobody on that city, it's not really a city, we've discussed that a million times, so is nobody on that city, not city council, like, hey, I have this outside my house, this is obnoxious, or I'm driving down the street and it's like, what the hell is this? It's just visibly uncomfortable when you drive under it. It's like a laser piercing in your eyes. But no one cares. It's just the same shit. So the whole house is going to be illuminated from that window, the master bedroom. Thankfully, we have curtains here, you know. And it's not even, just get curtains. They're expensive, okay? Then you have to go to the 20-foot ceiling up there, you know, and it's like, okay, I'd rather not do that, you know. Plus, if I come home, I still don't want my driveway illuminated like it's a Walmart parking lot, right? But hey, just do it, you know. I'm sure everyone's making lots of good money off of it. The people who, you know, have to suffer, well, fuck them. You know, they get to spend more money, too, on something else. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why they're moving into a driveway. Okay, that one truck is gone. Again, they came out from a driveway, 1, 2, 3 driveways over. The pickup truck is gone, but the cherry picker is not, and the one down the street with the excavator is not. So hopefully they're out here for some other call. But again, like this light's going to be replaced. So, you know, whatever. I don't know if it's today, but again, yesterday is when one of those was replaced. So why not this now? But who knows? A lot of the what do you call it? The wires for the electricity are underground, so I don't know. Maybe I have to check that anyways. But it's just obnoxious.